mommy snores. She says she doesn't, but she does. She snores so loud, sometimes sounds like a piggy. She tries to blame it on my grandpa, but I know it's her. My grandpa snores like this.